Hi, it's Ty with WTI, and who doesn't like good cup of pour over coffee? And that's very possible and nice to do, for example, with the help of this Hario 02 is the size of this coffee filter. So you see that inside it has these nice grooves and hole that is not too big, so the coffee gets through, but still the water has enough time to collect the aromas along the way, which is very important for a good cup of coffee. And also, I like the design itself. It's nice, sleek, white ceramic lines that looks nice. So how I like to approach this is that I use a basic coffee carafe, any carafe. You can use Hario's own or anything, or even just your regular coffee cup. Then you can use either number 2 or number 4 filter. So I like to usually use a filter that is a little bit bigger than the filter itself because it gives me more wiggle room. Personally, I think this is a great solution either for your big or small coffee needs. And that, of course, is just my point of view.